In this quick tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can curve your text within Canva. So I have my project here. Let's make a text by clicking this text icon, and then I'm just going to add a heading. So I have my heading here. Maybe I'm going to resize it a bit like this. And then when you have your text that you want to curve, you select the text, and then on top of here, in this menu, you're going to click Effects, and under the effects you can immediately see that in shape you have the curve option. So when you click this curve, you're now going to curve it, and you can adjust the curve below here. You can make it bigger, but you can even go the other way. So like this, it's curved upwards, and this is curved downwards. And that's a nice way you can nice and easy way you can use to curve your text. And of course, this will also vary on the font you're using, so also play around with that. And like this, you can curve your text up and down. And it's as easy as that, as just put your text. When you have your text, select your text, go to the FX menu, and the FX menu lets you curve your text without an issue. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press that subscribe button to see more of my videos. I have new ones going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.